Hi, it's Brady from Bella Garden. Thank you for joining me. This is a continuation from the first video I posted about how you do winter sowing. Now that we cut it in half and everything, I'm out in the greenhouse where I have my soil. So you want to fill the bottom up about 3 to 4 inches topsoil. You want to leave like an inch from the top. Get that all in. Okay, there you go, about an inch left. And then you want to take whatever seeds you're sowing. This time I am growing my echinacea, which are my cone flowers. Here is one that was dried out from last year. I take it and you just want to pull the seeds and sprinkle them all the way on top. You could do as little or as much. I'm gonna do more because you could bin them, and once when they start growing, I repot them into bigger pots anyway. I just like winter sowing, so it gives me time to get everything else going, and I don't need as many pots in my greenhouse to start with first. So here it looks like after I put the seeds on. And I'm just going to take a thin layer, very thin, and just spread it, pat it down a little bit on top. There you go. And then I have my label that I cut from red solo cups. Actually, my mom did. She cut hundreds and hundreds of solo cups. From one solo cup, you could get like 6 to 8 labels. And what she did is she cut a point on it so it goes in easily, and then you could write whatever name of the flower. I'm gonna write it on the outside, but sometimes the weather takes it off, so I wanna make sure I know what flower it is. Staples have these. They're made for gardening. I think they're wax marker, and they don't come off with the weather. So go grab some of them. Once when I put the label on, then you want to take duct tape. You could cut little pieces. You don't need to completely cover the whole area. You just want to put it right there. Actually cut big pieces and actually cover the whole thing, but that's how your milk jug looks afterwards with your duct tape. And you just set it out and let the weather do its thing, and your seeds will start going. So happy winter sowing. Have a great day.